In this video, we will be discussing using MLA, but only applying it to the Social Responsibility assignment. To fully comply with MLA style on other assignments, check out the guide the library has put together for you at actx.libguides.com/MLA. For the other citation styles like APA, you can visit actx.libguides.com/APA. On the MLA LibGuide near the bottom, there is a one-page quick page guide. When students visit the library with citation questions, this is the guide we give them. Ideally, you should be able to copy a citation following this guide. If you need additional citation help, on the bottom in Tutorials, there are citation videos over how to cite different formats, as well as the in-text citation. If you are citing a journal article from one of the library databases, you can copy the information from the online databases and journal articles page to help you make your citation. If you do not know how to use the library's databases or how to get the citations for the articles you choose, make an appointment with one of the librarians. The library contact information is available in the Library tab of Blackboard. First, open the template as a Word document. If you do not have Word on your computer, I will be repeating the steps for this assignment for Google Docs near the end of the video. To format Google Docs using MLA for other assignments, please consult the Style Guide. Go to Tutorials, and in the second tutorial, it will take you step by step through an MLA paper in Google Docs. Let's look at our paper. First, let's set the font to Times New Roman. Right here is Times New Roman. The font size is 12. Then we're going to set it to be double-spaced. To set it to be double-spaced, we're going to go to the paragraph box and click the bottom right corner arrow. Now we have the settings open. We want to set the settings to have 0 points before, 0 points after, the line spacing to be double, and to check do not add space between paragraphs of the same style. Make sure that before and after are 0. It auto-corrects to auto. Auto is not correct for the MLA style. Press OK once you have made these changes. Under each paragraph question, you will write your response. When you quote or paraphrase, you will need to have an in-text citation within your answer and a full-text citation on the works cited page. Here I have my in-text citations. My full-text citation will go at the bottom of my document in the works cited page. For MLA in-text citation, you will write the author's last name and page number inside parentheses. Page numbers must be provided in in-text citations if available. They often are not available on web pages, and that is where you would only do the author's name. For the 8th edition of MLA, it follows this format basically for books. There are slight variations for different types of books and resources. For the full list on how to do each citation, please visit the LibGuide. The basic book citation is the author's last name, comma, the author's first name, period, the title of the book in italices, period, the city of publication, comma, publisher, comma, publication date, period. The city of publication should only be used if the book was published before 1900, if the publisher has offices in more than one country, or if the publisher is unknown outside of North America. The first textbook, Human Development, has 3 authors. We put them in order as they are credited on the cover of the book. Crandall, Thomas, Crandall, Corrine. Then it flips, and first name, James, last name, Vander Zanden, period. The title of the textbook in italics. Because there are variations for each different type of book, for a textbook you would include the edition, with the abbreviated ED for edition, period, comma, the city of publication, the publisher, and the publication date. For our second book, there are 2 authors in order as they appear on the cover. Next is the title of the book, the edition, the city of publication, the publisher, and the publication date. Now these citations are not done. When we do a works cited page, our citations follow this style, but also have a formatting style. As you see, our first book is over one line. If it is over one line, you need to indent each subsequent line. We do not want the full citation to tab over. We only want the bottom part of the citation. So I press Enter, then tab over. And the top part is still completely aligned to the side margin, and the second part of the citation is smoothed over. That way I know that this whole citation on the top belongs together and is not part of the next citation. Because the Exploring Psychology citation does not exceed one line, we do not have to make any indents. For this course, you've been asked to save your document as a rich text file or as a doc. In order to save your document as a rich text file or a doc, you will go to File, Save As, and choose your folder where you will save. Then it gives you the option for the drop-down menu of Save as Type. You can save as a Word document or save as a rich text format. How do I do this formatting in Google Docs for the social responsibility assignment? Make sure the font is Times New Roman. When you open up documents in Google Docs, it tries to make these blank spaces Calibri. Make sure that the full document is Times New Roman. Next, we need it to be 12-point font. For spacing, whatever I have written underneath my first paragraph, I can highlight it, click Format, Line Spacing, and go down to the Custom Spacing. This brings up a similar page like the Word document. We want to make sure that our spacing is set at 2, which is double. Our paragraph spacing before is set at 0, and after is set at 0. We will then click Apply, and now it is double spaced. I only highlighted one part, so underneath each question, make sure they are following the double spacing, 0 before, 0 after, Times New Roman, 12-point font for each one. Make sure your works cited page follows the rule of the second line, tabbing over if it exceeds one line. How do I save as a rich text file or a document when using Google Docs? I click on File, Download As, and it gives me many different downloading styles. Microsoft Word, Rich Text Format. It will download your file as either of these when you select it so that you can submit it to your teacher. If you need any additional help, please visit the MLA guide at actx.libguides.com/MLA or contact the librarian at 806-371-5468. Email the library at library-help@actx.edu or contact the Writing Center in Ordway Hall at 806-371-5174.